All right, team, it's week 4. We've already done 3 weeks, almost halfway. So if you're in a calorie deficit, you're probably going to be pretty hungry. If you're in a surplus, you're probably going to be quite full most of the time. So what we want to do now is we want to make sure that we're focusing on consuming protein, as this is going to keep us satiated. Try and pair your protein with some vegetables that are low calorie, so like things, broccoli, peas, beans, those kind of things, green beans, I should clarify. So we want to make sure we're eating all those kind of things just to try and be fuller when we're eating. Try and stay away from highly processed foods, as these things won't keep you hungry, but they'll just use up all your budget. I recommend looking at things you can now snack with, things like, we really like corn thins, cottage cheese, avocado, tomato, etc. If you're bulking or in a calorie surplus, you might need to add some extra olive oil or coconut oil to bump up the calories without trying to consume too much volume, because you'll be very full most of the time. So ways you can sneak calories in is with olive oil, good oils and things like that, or good fats like nuts. The key things we want to achieve in week 4, we want to keep monitoring our weight. So we want to see if we're gaining or losing at a consistent pace. If not, we need to adjust the calories. Make sure that we're consuming enough protein. This is going to be important to keep us satiated, as I mentioned before. Stay consistent with your exercise and diet, and also make sure we're weighing ourselves daily. So that's it for this week. I'll check back in next week.